Hi guys, this is Tim with Inflatable Office and Event Office, and I want to show you um, the best way to check availability when you get a call from a customer. I know a lot of people were using kind of a hack that we had done, was kind of like a day view. So let's go ahead and look at this day here in the old system. We had kind of co-opted our calendar and made it possible to kind of show availability. It mostly worked. There were some issues with more complicated packages and so forth. We wanted to get away from it because it didn't have a very, um, there were lots of issues with not being able to do it very well. And so we did not bring this over to the new UI. And I'm going to show you a better way to do this in the new UI. So one of the other issues is, we're looking at a 24-hour period. So if you had two events that were kind of back to back, it would actually show that you had conflicts when they could have been one in the morning and one in the evening, and it could have been completely fine. So, especially if you're looking at something like an after prom season where you did stuff maybe overnight, so you might have overlapped the date time. Um, the 12 a.m. midnight. If you were overlapping that, this was not going to show very well. So I want to show you the better way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. You're going to do it right from the lead page, and I'm going to show you why that's better to do. So you're going to add a lead as soon as a customer calls in. And one of the great reasons about this is that you're not only checking availability, but you're also getting information for this customer, this lead that's coming in. I think April 13th was a busy day on our demo account, so I'm going to pick that one and apply it. Let's say the customer just asked for 3 to 6. If they asked for different times, I would choose those. And then immediately I'm getting availability here. So this shows how many are available of everything that I have. I can scroll through it this way. I can click if I want to see more. This is looking at the big list, right? Normally they're going to have something that they're interested in, whether it be maybe a water ride or, maybe they actually bring something up to you like, I'm interested in a bounce, so you can type it in. Oops, if you type it in correctly. And you can immediately see your availability very quickly. And if there's something that they wanted and it wasn't available, you can offer something else. And if they went for it, it's as simple as that. You just click it to move it over. Any other things that they might be interested in that are available, you can click and move them over. And you're starting to build your lead as you determine availability for the customer. Okay, so you're already partway there on getting them a price, getting them entered into the system, and booking the event, as opposed to before where you were kind of just looking at a static display that wasn't even always accurate because of the way it was displaying a full 24 hours. So if you really want to know a full 24 hours, you can come in here and you can do that. You can say I want 12 a.m. on this day to something like 12 a.m. on the next day. You'd have to do that. That will give you the 24-hour view if you want. So that's still possible. But I don't think that's as useful because what you're really trying to do is determine for this customer, is the stuff available? And then, move through the process of booking this event. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. As always, we're here and ready for your feedback to make this product work even better. Thanks, guys.